climate change, that's something that we all hear and also something that we all feel. To fight against the climate change, we have set climate targets, international bodies, and then along with that, there's a concept called remaining carbon budgets. That is, how much we have to emit until we reach this specific warming. So now, countries can individually distribute these global carbon budgets based on several principles like their population or country's GDP or historic emissions. But the thing is, once they are doing this, these are just based on the static parameters. But the future is not static. Future is always changing, like population, technology, economy. Everything is evolving over the years. But if we use these outdated methods to set carbon budgets, what we do is we steer in the wrong way to fight against the climate change. So this is where this method brings a breakthrough. I have developed a method where we can incorporate dynamic parameters into carbon budget settings. So by this, using this, we can distribute budgets over years depending on how the future would change based on population or our future emissions based on different policies and also sometimes the economy. But rather than relying on just single value which existing method present, this method can incorporate how soon, when and where, how fast that we need to act on the climate change mitigation. As a real-life example, we have used this method to downscale global budgets to New Zealand scale, and then it does not only give the dynamic budget over years, it also incorporates uncertainty levels like non-CO2 warming or the different allocation methods that we have. And also this has the potential to downscale global carbon budgets to sector levels or other countries depending on our requirements. Because when it comes to the climate change, timing is very important and we have to fight against the climate change eventually. Thank you very much.